Everyone, happy Christmas. So, sa atong background is there's a Christmas tree. So, ma-feel na dyan na to ang spirit of Christmas. No? Okay, so already December. And we're here right now sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf Mabola branch because, of course, we are collecting stamps for our 2020 planner. So, I'm just 2 stamps away. So maybe before the year ends, we'll be able to complete that. But right now, di na siya makuha tong purpose why we have this episode today because we will be unboxing another item that I ordered from Shopee. Let's begin. Okay, so again guys, we're here today sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf Mabola branch. And sensya kayo kung, saba ang background kasi nata sa gawas kay puno na ang sulod, so wala na yung space dito. So right now, nalang rin na stay sa gawas. So anyway, if you have noticed, most of our unboxing episodes are items that are relevant to vlogging and photography. So in this episode today, we will be unboxing another item or gadget or accessory that will be helpful when you're vlogging and mobile photography. And this is very important because I think this is now part of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So if you have noticed na siya meme, diba, before nga, ang pinaka-bottom sa pyramid is the physiological needs, but some people would add a layer at the bottom that says Wi-Fi is now part of our daily needs. So, but dili na siya mga itong i-unbox kay di ba na itong unbox ang Wi-Fi. So, another part of it is since ni-proliferate naman yun ang use of smartphones, what is very important to come along with smartphones are power banks. So that's right. We will be unboxing today a power bank that I ordered from Shopee a few weeks ago, and it is pretty amazing. So currently I have 2 power banks. So kani siya, Asus. Now what I like about this is just 10,000 milliamperes. So maka-charge siya 4 times sa akong phone nga gigamit. What I like about this is handy lang siya and gamay. Credit card size, so or ATM size iyahang kuan, but ina siya kalapad. And I also got another power bank. Kani siya is a free power bank. When I bought this phone that I'm using today, so libre siya. And what I like about it is na siya duha ka outlet for fast charging that releases 2.1 amperes compared to 1 amperes nga standard charging na niya. And what's also good about this is na siya torch. So pwede siya mag-flashlight if you need it. But that's the other side of it. Kay sometimes mo on na siya galit and it would drain the battery sa ato ang kani siya nga power bank. So right now, all in all, kani siya 10 milliamperes ni. So all in all, we have 20,000 milliamps in both power banks. So right now, what I'm excited to present or to unbox with you is ang kaning power bank na akong na-order from Shopee. So when I purchase something kanang murag important, I should usually go to Shopee Mall because that's where legitimate and original items are sold. Because for regular Shopee stores, murag nasa mga imitations ng mga items. So what I usually do is I visit Shopee Mall and dito ko mag-browse of mga items where I think kanang sulit jud siya. Medyo pricey compared to regular items, but shopping through the mall is assured yun ka nga quality ang products. So I got an item here. It's a TechLast power bank, and as you see, 30,000 milliamperes. So it is pretty amazing. It's more than both of my power banks combined. So all in all, right now I have 50 milliamperes. So I guess this would supply me for about 2 or 3 days if I'm outdoors na wala electricity. So which is very helpful, especially if you are into mobile photography and vlogging. Use less imong cellphone if wala jud kay battery. So muna siya ang atong i-unbox today. Let's begin. So the brand of this item is TechLast ni siya, and again it's 30,000 milliamperes, and this is made in China. I think most of the products right now are made in China. So the model is model type is C30, because again 30,000 iyang capacity, and medyo bugat ni siya because it weighs 612 grams or more than half kilo. So magbit-bit yun kanina bugat yun siya. And for input, for you to charge the power bank itself, it says here in the description, it accepts micro USB or Type-C cable, and the output is Type-C 5 volts or 2 amperes. So medyo paspas siya. So again, as I've mentioned here, 2.1 kaya siya 2 amperes. So somehow pare-pareha sila og capacity to produce the power. So dimension is 158 by 73.5 by 32.5 millimeters. So we'll see later on unsa yung actual size, and the color is black. And of course, this can be used to mobile phones, tablets, hi-fi player, camera, digital camera, and portable gamer. And of course, pwede siya sa mga Bluetooth speaker and anything i-charge using micro USB or Type-C na mga cables. So pretty standard. So again, yung color is black, and let's open. So I like the packaging. So nasa sleeve, and yung packaging is just kind of craft box. I can smell nga kanang scent bitaw sa bag-o nga item, so I can still smell it. And there you go, guys. So this is the item itself. Na siya photos. Oops. Bugat yun siya. So let's reveal. So this is the actual item. Nga na siya kalapad. So if you use your thumb, about 1 inch yahang width, and ano siya. So there are 3 outputs, 1, 2, 3. So pwede ka maka-charge 3 cell phones at the same time. And then input, pwede siya katong lightning cable and Type-C nga charger, nga cable. So na siya indicator or power niya, and muna yung indicator kung mag-charge. So see na tulo ka light, so maximum niya is 4. So muna siya indicator of kailan nila nabilin na power supply sa aning power bank. So I like the color kasi it's matte, and let's just put this aside. So nasa siya manual, but it's written in Chinese, and kani says tips, so ba't itakabasa. So naapod ay siya may pakapin nga Type-C cable. So magamit naman siya to charge your phone or to charge the power bank itself. So far moray sulod, but you know, I like the packaging. It's pretty simple and neat. So let's compare it guys to the standard nga kaning ASUS credit card or ATM size. So muna siya in comparison, almost twice the height, and then muna siya, and ilang thickness. And also let's compare it to the other power bank that I have. Similar in height, pero mas baga agad siya. Okay, so again, 30,000 milliamperes iyang capacity. So all in all, I have a power bank worth na capacity of 50,000 mAh. So sharog mo dan matag baterya ni. So I haven't really tried to use it. Wait ha, ako sa punit to. So I really haven't tried to, you know, use this yet. So let's give it a shot. I got here with me my power cable. So let me try to charge. Output 1. So I have here micro USB, and then you press the button at the side, and then musiga siya, meaning na-on na siya. And ako na i-connect dito sa akong cellphone. Okay guys, so right now my phone is indicating we're charging. So it's very helpful. Let's try to use another just get another phone para makita ninyo nga nag-charge good siya. So I'll be using a different cable for Type-C or Lightning cable for my iPhone. So let's just, okay, so naka-charge siya, naka-power on, and then itong i-plug, and let's see. Okay, so drain gud akong phone. So right now it's charging, meaning to say effective nga naka-deliver siya og power. So since napaman siya ito look bars, I really haven't tried yet nga i-charge ang power bank. So maybe pohon I'll add a post or comment o say resulta after siya nako gi-charge. But currently out from the box na siya 3 bars na power. So if you like to get this item, so far I like it. Guys, I forget. So before ninyo siya ipotos or i-set aside, make sure nga turn off the power kay para dili ma-drain ang battery. So muna siya. Awkward kayo maglabay-labay na tao. But anyway, for you guys to see it. So I bought this, original price is at around 800 pesos, but naka-sale siya. I just got it for about 500 plus napadjud ko Shopee coins. So medyo gamay-gamay ra gid ako nabayad ani nga item, and I think as of right now sulit kayo siya. So if you want to get similar item, just drop by Shopee or Lazada, whatever platform imong mas ganahan, and search for TechClast, or you can wait for days na kausap lang mag-sale, and timing on jud nimo. So mo actually mo na siya akong strategy, timing on na ako og palit. So i-add to cart lang nimo, and every day you check if mo sale ba siya, and if you're ready to buy the item, then that's the time you place your order. So right now I think that's just it for our episode. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a great day. Bye bye.